Find or read reviews that people are talking about GUGTTR bone conduction headphones, wireless headphones, Bluetooth 5.3, open-ear headphones with microphones, 7 hours playtime, Sweatproof. Sport headset. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2023 upgraded bone conduction headphones. Open-ear headphones deliver premium audio through the cheekbones, resulting in high sound fidelity and clarity. Superior sound quality provides an immersive music experience. The built-in microphone provides you with crystal clear calls. Safety and comfort. The open-ear design ensures that while you enjoy music, you won't miss the sounds around you. This design that does not go into the ear can keep the ear canal clean without pain and reduce hearing damage. The wireless headphones weighs only 25 grams, which is very comfortable to wear all day. Note: just hang it around your neck when you go out and don't use it. Bluetooth 5.3 and long battery life. The bone conduction headphones uses the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip. The transmission speed is faster and more stable. No delay transmission distance up to 33 feet. Strongly upgraded battery life, allowing you to enjoy 7 hours of continuous music and calls. Type-C fast charge, standby time up to 100 hours. You can enjoy music comfortably at any time. Stable and flexible. Our sports headphones titanium memory metal frame has a bending recovery effect, which can be bent and stretched at will without deformation, and is flexible and durable. Perfect for outdoor and indoor sports like running, hiking, cycling, and even extreme sports and more. Waterproof. IP55 rated bone headphones are sweatproof, rainproof, and splashproof. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.